In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix that didn't work. Make sure your Bluetooth device is still discoverable, then try again. So let's get started. So first thing you need to make sure, click on the start button, click on the settings icon, click on Bluetooth and devices on the left pane. If your Bluetooth is turned on, turn it off and then turn it on again. Okay? Turn it off, then you have to turn it on again. Okay? So try on that. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure that our Bluetooth driver is updated. So right click at the start button, select device manager. Once device manager window is open, locate Bluetooth. Okay, so once you find the list from here, what you can do is you need to update your driver. Okay, right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers. You can also do this for the list right here by updating each of the driver. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so we can produce more useful tutorials for you. Next method is we can also make sure that all the Bluetooth services are running. So go to the Windows search bar and type services. Click on services under the best match. Scroll down to the B section, or you can easily find that the three Bluetooth services: Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, Bluetooth Support Service, and the Bluetooth User Support Service 887DO. So right click, select Properties, Startup Type, that should be automatic. If this is not running, click on Start, Apply, then OK. And then click on the Restart button on the left pane. And you have to do that for each of the Bluetooth services that is listed right here. Okay, do the same process. Then for the next method, click on the start button, click on the settings icon, click on system on the left pane, scroll down, and you have to click on troubleshoot. You will find other troubleshooters, click on that. So here you'll find Bluetooth with the run button corresponding to it. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Now what this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows. And aside from that, it will also give you suggestions and recommendations on fixing the issue. So follow what it suggests and what it recommends, then restart your Windows afterwards. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.